Hi, I'm John Twist of University Motors. I'm going to talk today about the late model Tex mirrors that go on the driver's door. Look into them. So a couple things go wrong with these. One is they get floppy. Look, someone's wrapped tape around this. Good grief. But you know, necessity is the mother of invention. So I don't even know if I can get this all off here or not. But someone's taped this thing up rather than adjusting it properly. The other thing that happens, besides it wobbling around, is that the mirror comes loose and rattles. So if you take this rubber piece off from around the mirror, which I'll do on the tabletop here, with a little tiny screwdriver, and try not to snap the mirror itself. Try again here. There we go. So out comes the surround. And behind the mirror is, oh look, someone's already got it stuffed full of, I was going to tell you to do that. So this wasn't in here originally. These were with just these little tiny foam pads. And the mirror can end up sitting in here and rattling. So, so you put this in behind. Let me show you how this works here. We've got a screwdriver, a screw that fits into a ball here, and there's a clamp on the outside which you can adjust the tightness of by tightening up these screws, and then you can make it more difficult to move it around. So by taking it all apart, lubricating it, putting it all back together, and putting some stuffing behind the mirror here, you can keep that mirror from rattling. Maybe you want to take this piece of tape off there too at the same time. I'm going to have to actually sit down here and do what I can to get this surround back into place, so it doesn't look too ugly. But if this mirror rattles, oh my gosh, it can drive you crazy. Well, it drives me crazy. Don't like stuff rattling on the car. You know, you don't care so much about the passenger one, because that's only going to bother the passenger, but anything that's on the driver's side of the car, you want to make sure it's working and fitted correctly. So this isn't too hard to get back into place. There we go. And assuming that we loosened all this stuff up down here, we can get this all nice so that it adjusts easily. The screw that's in the end here, this screw is a 7 by 1 metric screw, and once it's in place, you usually can't move it. It goes into a wedge that holds it on the door. Usually you can't move it again. So the trick is, when you go to put it in, when you go to put it together, don't just tighten it up, but take some anti-seize and wipe it on the threads of the screw. Wipe it on and push some down in here, so this screw remains nice and loose all this time, and you can take this grub screw out later on if you wish. You can see it comes through on the bottom side here and catches a wedge. Anyway, anti-seize, and then you'll be able to take this mirror back off whenever you wanted to. That's my little bit about mirrors today. John Twist, Safety Fast.